everyone, welcome to the Firangi kitchen. Today I am preparing scalloped potatoes. Let's get to the recipe then. First, we need to prepare the gravy. For that, in low-medium flame, I am adding 1 tablespoon of butter. Followed by 2 tablespoons of flour. Give them a nice mix. Followed by half cup of milk. Mix well to ensure a smooth texture. Again, adding quarter cup of milk. Mix well to ensure a smooth texture. Salt as per taste. Garlic powder 1 teaspoon. Alternatively, freshly chopped garlic also can work. Crushed black pepper 1 teaspoon. Thyme 1 teaspoon. Followed by butter 2 tablespoons. Give it a nice mix. This is the right consistency of the gravy. Let's move to the second phase. We need an oven-proof bowl to proceed further. Brush the bowl with butter. Placing sliced potatoes evenly, followed by sprinkling some salt. Spreading second layer of the gravy, followed by adding sliced onions evenly. Layering sliced potatoes and sprinkling salt. Spreading final layer of the gravy. Topping it off with some sliced cheese. Our delicious scalloped potatoes is ready to serve. Please subscribe us for more recipe updates.